right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too. Hey David, have you noticed anything about your channel lately? Why yes, yes I have. Am I the same person? Did you notice that you gained 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 days? 1,000? Well, that's higher than I can count, but yeah, I did notice that. You have any idea how that happened? Any idea at all? Yeah, you know, when I first saw the numbers, I was like, holy cow, what's going on? I thought I had a video that took off overnight. Well, then I saw the comments and somebody said, hey, Warren sent me your way. Warren? And then more and more people said, hey, Warren from Western Truck and Tractor Repair told me to come check you out. Well, word on the street was, you're sort of funny, but not really. More of a dork. Wait, he called you a kick in the butt. He did. Here's the clip right here.
There's a guy named David Haley. I really like watching his channels. He's a kind of a kick in the butt to watch. He's funny. He's always got something funny to say. And
a kick in the butt? You called me a kick in the butt? Is that a compliment? Because at this point, I think it is. Well, if it's not, I'll take it as a compliment, because that's the kind of guy I am. Well, everybody says that Warren's a nice guy, so it probably was a compliment. Well, then we probably should welcome those 1,000 people. It's already 1,000, who knows how many more it's going to go. That Warren's a popular guy, and apparently people listen to him. Thanks again, Warren, that was awesome. So these 1,000 people, they need to be brought up to speed. We're here in Minnesota. This is a little family operation. I have 2 partners, my older brother Jeff, my younger brother Dean, and we have some logging equipment. And man, is my hand freezing. Is the camera shaking? Yeah. It's 7 above with the wind chill right now, and I have a bare hand that's been holding on to this too long. So on my channel, you've been seeing a lot of me working on this different equipment, and a little bit of me driving. Oh, I can't show you that hat because I've been switching hats. Ready? Get rid of that hat. I've been driving a little truck too. There's some funny videos there too. And Jeff runs that machine. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Well, I'll basically say this. That's the machine that I run the most. That thing cuts down trees. Got a big saw on it. I cut down trees. And then the skidder comes along, spiff, and then Dean limbs them, and Jeff slashes them. Nice jacket on. Hold on, that video clip is coming. But anyway, if you're just joining me, you didn't see me bury that thing in a swamp last winter. Very interesting. You didn't see me dig out a beaver dam, drain a beaver pond with that. Did that too. Oh, you didn't see a truck crash last winter, flip over and crash? Oh yeah. Luckily it wasn't one of our trucks. It wasn't. Whew. What else didn't you see? A lot of different things. Oh, well, my pickup's over there, but you didn't see that get stuck in a swamp and me have to walk back and get the Timco to get myself unstuck. You didn't see a bunch of us, a handful of foresters and our crew, build an ice bridge. We crossed a moving, running creek, and it worked out very well. That was quite an experience. That was pretty cool. So check that video out too. Oh, I just remembered something. No, it's not that skidder. Oh, there I'm with that hat again. Wasn't that skidder? It was that skidder. The Kim Kardashian skidder. That was funny. Wintertime's a busy time for us. So you joined this channel just in time to see another adventurous winter coming up. I hope it's not too adventurous. Last winter was pretty wild and crazy. But thanks for joining on for the ride. I hope you really enjoy the channel. I appreciate all the old subscribers and the new subscribers. And maybe even you, Arnold. Maybe. And if you just joined the channel, you missed out on me painting this Kenworth. We painted it. Oh no, Tony's gonna give me a bad time about not polishing that. Anyway, painted it. And this is just frosting. It's not snow, it's just frosting. You missed me painting. Oh, that's a future video. I better put this step back in the shop. Yeah, I may have had a fuel issue with my pickup. I replaced the fuel filters. Oh, that's another good video. Oh, never mind. No, this is my step ladder. I don't know my real ladder. So Warren taught me a trick. You take your old jacket, you take John Deere yellow and make sure it's Rust-Oleum, and you put it on your jacket. You take new cat yellow and you put them on your jacket. Ooh, I can just feel the reaction right now. You just let it sit for about a minute.
Oh, don't you do it.
Wow, that was fast. Oh, I better get them off there before it turns the jacket pink. So I think I'm going to title this video Completely Unexpected. Because what you did for me was completely unexpected. I didn't realize that you like my videos that much. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. You have a very good channel yourself. Very smart person, very good mechanic, just a good person. And that brings me to say, I commented on your video that bigger YouTubers that comment on the smaller guys' channel, promote smaller guys like me, I think it's fantastic, because what's in it for you to gain? Not a lot, It means a lot to me. You definitely made my day. All right, maybe a couple of days. That was really cool of you. Hope you continue to like my videos. And thanks again. Completely unexpected. Yeah, I'm still here. My pickup isn't running right. It seems to be running better now. I changed fuel filters in it the other day. I should have put that O-ring in there. I did all that, and now it seems to be running. Now do I trust it to go home? Can somebody come rescue me tonight if I don't make it home? Wow, that was one fat grouse. My parents' pet, huh? Yeah, I am probably less than 10 feet, 8 feet from him. Holy cow. Oh, here, I thought you were squatting down to take off. Beautiful bird. Yes, it's cold out here. Your tail is cut. I'm literally, my hand is maybe 5 feet from it. Oh. Close enough, was I? Well, finish your supper. I'll leave you alone. Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.